Hi, my name is Yong-hee Seo. I am one of the project directors of Landmarks of American History and Culture workshops for school teachers, The Long Road from Brown, School Desegregation in Virginia. What is unique about our program is that our workshop covers relatively unknown stories of the desegregation process in Virginia after Brown versus Board of Education and its legacies on the nation as a whole. These are especially unknown stories to our students in K-12 schools, since Brown is often presented as one of the most important democratic achievements in U.S. history curriculum and the state standards.
Hi, my name is Brian Darty, Associate Professor of History at Virginia Commonwealth University and one of the project directors of The Long Road from Brown, School Desegregation in Virginia, National Endowment for the Humanities School Teacher Workshops. And very excited to let you know that when you join our workshops in summer 2020, you'll learn a great deal about the Brown versus Board of Education decision, the massive resistance movement, the implementation of Brown versus Board of Education in Virginia, and also throughout the remainder of the nation. We'll learn this content by visiting historic sites, listening to guest speakers, completing readings related to the subject matter, and having a lot of large group discussions about school desegregation in the past and its impact on the present day. We hope you'll join us in Richmond. Thanks so much.